Hello, I'm Silvana. This is my home studio where I make jewellery. There's my soldering station, various tools there. This bit's more my piercing station because I do an awful lot of piercing. You can see by these coins here. Oh, my Dremel. Got to have a Dremel. And my bench drill. There's my etching station. I do the pewter and copper. I keep the pewter separate from the sterling silver over on the other side. There's my microwave that I do the glass in, and then my photography bit. This is a selection of bronze coins from the pre-decimal era that I've cut and made into pendants, earrings, cufflinks and guitar picks. And there's a bracelet there as well. I use a fine bladed jeweller's saw. I don't use a laser cutter, so they're all very individual. The earrings have sterling silver ear wires, and the pendants come with a sterling silver chain included in the price. There's a threepenny bit there on a carnelian bracelet. Some guitar picks there. They're older coins that I use for that because they're more practical to be an actual guitar pick. The other ones, 1967, generally, because they're the most mint ones that I have. But if anybody wants a particular date and they were actually minted in that year, I can do that as well.